It's time to start with some basics in a JavaScript. Okay. So we are going to cover variables in a JavaScript and what are the data types we can use in a JavaScript, the basic operators, then Boolean logic, then how to use logical operators when it comes to write some programming in JavaScript. So let me move on to the first topic, JavaScript variables. So variables is used to store the data. Okay. So there are four ways we can declare the variables in JavaScript. One is the automatically it will take, and another one is where we need to use or let or constant. Everything is have one purpose. Okay. So automatically means, let's say for example, x equal to 5, which means it's just automatically considering what you are using. It automatically considering based on the value, it will treat it as a um, that variable. Okay, so x equal to 5 means it's a number, x equal to 5. X equal to hello world means it will be treated as a x equal to 1 string variable. So like that will take it forward. Okay, so let's take one by one, and I have created one now HTML snippet that I will show you. Based on that, we will take it forward. Okay, so here I have created a variables.html, and variables.html, I have added some snippets. Okay, so here I have what I did. I haven't used any let where const. I just use x equal to 5, y equal to 6, and z equal to x plus y. Just addition of this. So when you do so, automatically JavaScript will consider what is x, what is y. Okay, so the variable declaration will be taken care by on JavaScript itself. Okay, but when it comes to the where, when we will use where means it's a variable. So when you assign x equal to 5, and it can be vary later on, if you want to update x equal to something else, it will be override. Okay, so the same example, x equal to 5, y equal to 6, where z is equal to addition. Here also we have added the same example, but here we referred a demo inner HTML, we added this value, but here we have used demo 1. Okay, second example we used demo 1. Third example, we are using let also will be taken in the place where we can use let, and where will be the same. Okay, but the const will be differ. Const means constant value, so you cannot change this const value. If it is a equal to 5, you cannot change the variable at any cost. Okay, it will be constant. So all the values we have used 5, 6, I mean x equal to 5 above, below, a equal to 5, b equal to 6, right? So all the places we have used the addition of the two number, we just updated to the respective paragraph tag in our HTML. So the value is going to be the same, but the overall idea using the variable is different. Here it will be treated as a automatically. Here it will be a let, and below is a constant. So constant, when we have to use, if it is a constant, it's not changing at any time, then we go with the constant. If it is if you want to change a let, it's a variable, then you can use either let or where. Okay, so I will take you to the browser, how it will be look like. Okay, so all the values is using sum of two numbers, and this is the addition of value getting added as an inner HTML. So this is what the purpose of using variables, which we have used it in a JavaScript. And when we have a JavaScript variables, in addition, we need to discuss about the scope of the variable as well. Scope of the variable means the visibility of variables within your core block. Okay, either it could be a block level scope, or it could be a function level scope, or it could be a global level scope. There are three types of scope we can use in our JavaScript function programming language. So it depends wherever, suppose depends on your requirement, we need to define the variable within the block level. So either it could be a block level or a functional level or global level. Okay. So here we can take an example. What does it mean by block scope? Consider the above example. We have open on a parenthesis and close some parenthesis. This is a, consider this as a block. We have defined a, let x equal to 2. Can we use the x apart from this block? We cannot. Why? Because this is the scope of the block is end within this block level. Okay, we cannot use outside of this block. Likewise, this is an example of the global scope. Okay, let car name equal to Volvo. The code we can use it after the line, but if we are defining any function also, we can use this car name. Why? Because this is a globally defined. Okay, say for example, if we define the let car name Volvo within the function, means we cannot use apart from this function. Within the function only we can use. So this is the function level scope. I hope you are clear on this block level scope, global level scope, and function level scope. So this is what the idea about variables usage. I hope you clear on it. Let me know if you need any clarification on it.